Imagine if one simple ingredient could fuel your strength, energize your body, and boost your health naturally. One ingredient that's plant-based, protein-packed, and incredibly versatile. That ingredient? Chickpeas. Yes, tiny garbanzo beans can transform your meals, your energy levels, and even your life. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you amazing chickpea recipes that will strengthen your body, supercharge your health, and delight your taste buds. Ready to feel unstoppable? Chickpeas are not just another legume. They are small nutritional powerhouses loaded with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains roughly 15 grams of protein, 12 grams of fiber, and a rich mix of iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Whether you are an athlete, a busy professional, or someone embracing a plant-based lifestyle, chickpeas are the perfect ingredient to nourish your body. They stabilize blood sugar, support muscle growth, enhance digestion, and help you stay full and energized throughout the day. The versatility of chickpeas is unmatched. You can roast them for snacks, blend them into creamy spreads, or turn them into hearty meals. Chickpeas are truly the foundation of a plant-based diet that builds strength, vitality, and overall health. Starting your day with a protein-rich meal is essential for energy and focus. Chickpeas can transform breakfast into a powerhouse of nutrients. Here are some recipes that are quick, easy, and delicious. Chickpea breakfast hash: sauté chickpeas with bell peppers, onions, garlic, and spinach. Add your favorite spices like paprika or cumin. In just 10 minutes, you have a savory, protein-packed meal that fuels your morning and keeps you energized. Chickpea flour pancakes: swap traditional flour for chickpea flour. These pancakes are fluffy, high in protein, and perfect with a drizzle of maple syrup or fresh berries. Chickpea flour is not only nutritious but keeps you feeling full until lunch. Chickpea smoothie boosts: blend cooked chickpeas with banana, almond milk, a scoop of peanut butter, and cinnamon. The result is a creamy, protein-rich smoothie that powers your morning workouts or busy workday. These breakfasts are not just tasty, they are fuel for your muscles, brain, and immune system. Lunch and dinner are opportunities to refuel your body with nutrient-dense meals. Chickpeas add protein, fiber, and flavor, making every meal a powerhouse of plant-based nutrition. Chickpea Buddha bowl: roast chickpeas with olive oil, garlic, and paprika. Add quinoa, avocado, roasted vegetables, and a tahini dressing. Each bite is a combination of flavors and nutrients, giving you energy, fiber, and healthy fats. Spicy chickpea curry: cook chickpeas with tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger, and a blend of spices like turmeric and cumin. Serve with brown rice or cauliflower rice. This hearty dish is perfect for muscle recovery and sustained energy. Chickpea stir-fry: quick, simple, and loaded with veggies. Sauté chickpeas with broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas. Add soy sauce or tamari and a pinch of chili flakes. A 15-minute dinner that fuels your strength and satisfies your taste buds. With these meals, your body receives all the protein and nutrients it needs while staying fully plant-powered. Snacking doesn't have to sabotage your health goals. Chickpeas turn ordinary snacks into superfood bites that energize and strengthen. Roasted chickpeas: crunchy, flavorful, and perfect for on the go. Toss chickpeas with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, and roast until golden. A protein-packed alternative to chips. Chickpea energy balls: blend chickpeas, dates, oats, and cocoa powder. Roll into bite-sized balls. These are perfect post-workout snacks or quick bites for busy afternoons. Chickpea hummus with veggies. Classic hummus is not only creamy and delicious, but also rich in protein and fiber. Pair with carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or bell peppers for a satisfying snack that keeps your strength and energy high. Snacks like these prevent sugar crashes and keep your metabolism active, giving you energy throughout the day. Yes, even desserts can be part of a healthy strength-building plan when chickpeas are involved. Chickpea brownies: rich, fudgy, and made with chickpeas instead of flour. These brownies are high in protein, fiber, and full of chocolatey goodness without guilt. Chickpea cookie dough bites: blend chickpeas, peanut butter, vanilla, and dark chocolate chips. Roll into small balls for a sweet treat that fuels your body instead of empty calories. Chickpea banana muffins: combine mashed bananas, chickpea flour, and a touch of maple syrup. Bake for a soft, protein-rich muffin, perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. These desserts show that plant-based strength and indulgence can coexist. Cook in bulk. Prepare a large batch of chickpeas at the start of the week. Store in the fridge or freezer for quick use. Combine with greens. Pair chickpeas with kale, spinach, or broccoli for extra antioxidants and vitamins. Use herbs and spices: turmeric, cumin, paprika, and chili not only enhance flavor but provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Experiment with flours. Chickpea flour is versatile for pancakes, muffins, and baking, adding protein and fiber. Hydrate well. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, so drink plenty of water to support digestion. These small habits turn simple chickpeas into a key ingredient for lasting plant-based strength and health. Your journey to strength, vitality, and optimal plant-based health starts with small, intentional choices. Chickpeas are more than food, they are fuel. Fuel your workouts, your brain, your recovery, and your everyday energy. Experiment with these recipes. Roast, blend, mash, and savor chickpeas in every meal. With every bite, you are nourishing your muscles, supporting your immune system, and embracing a lifestyle that empowers you. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with simple, powerful choices. Like adding chickpeas to your meals, you can transform your energy, your strength, and your health. Start today and feel the unstoppable power of plant-based nutrition.